Did you know that some of the herbal remedies we use today have been trusted for over 5,000 years? That's right. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Chinese were masters of using plants for health, long before modern medicine even existed. It's pretty incredible to think that this ancient wisdom is still relevant today. In a world full of complex solutions, there's a growing movement back to basics, a return to nature. People are looking for gentler, more holistic ways to support their well-being, and that's where herbal remedies come in. They're becoming incredibly popular as more of us seek natural wellness. So what's all the buzz about? Let's dive in and explore the power of plants together. Let's be real for a second. How many of us are dealing with little nagging health issues every day? Maybe it's that constant feeling of being stressed out, trouble getting a good night's sleep, or maybe your digestion just feels off. We often reach for a quick fix, but sometimes those solutions only mask the symptoms without addressing the root cause. Conventional medicine is amazing for so many things, especially emergencies and serious diseases, and we are so grateful for it. But for everyday wellness, it can sometimes feel like a one-size-fits-all approach that doesn't always align with our body's natural processes. Think about it. Chronic stress, low-grade inflammation, digestive discomfort, these are things millions of people struggle with. We're often told to just live with it, or we're given something that might come with a long list of side effects. This can leave you feeling frustrated and powerless over your own health. It's this gap, this need for a more personalized and gentle approach that has people turning to the plant kingdom for answers. We're starting to ask, is there a more natural way to feel better? The answer for many is a resounding yes. It's about complementing the amazing advances of modern science with the timeless wisdom of nature. It's not about rejecting one for the other, but about creating a holistic toolkit for our health, one where natural alternatives play a key role in our daily journey to feeling our best. So, where do we start on this herbal journey? Let's explore some of the most accessible and effective remedies you can easily incorporate into your life. First up, let's talk about a golden superstar, turmeric. You probably have this bright yellow spice in your kitchen cabinet. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is a fantastic natural anti-inflammatory. For those everyday aches, joint stiffness, or just general inflammation from stress or diet, turmeric can be a game changer. You can add it to curries, blend it into a golden milk latte, or even take it as a supplement. Next, let's talk about winding down. In our fast-paced world, who doesn't need a little more calm? This is where chamomile shines. This delicate little flower is one of the most well-known herbs for relaxation. A warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can help quiet your mind, ease anxiety, and promote a more restful sleep. It's gentle, it's soothing, and it's been used for centuries as a natural sedative. It's like a warm hug in a mug. And what about our gut? Our digestive system is central to our overall health. If your stomach is unhappy, chances are you're unhappy. Enter ginger. This zesty root is a powerhouse for digestion. It's brilliant for soothing an upset stomach, reducing nausea, and combating bloating and gas. Whether you sip on fresh ginger tea, add it to your stir-fries, or chew on a piece of crystallized ginger, it's a quick and effective way to support your digestive fire and keep things moving smoothly. These are just 3 examples, but they show how simple, everyday plants can offer powerful support for our most common health concerns. Let me tell you a story that really brings the power of these remedies to life. It's about a friend of mine, let's call her Sarah. Sarah was in her late 30s, juggling a demanding job and 2 young kids. She was constantly exhausted, her joints ached, and she felt like she was running on fumes. She went to her doctor, who told her she was just stressed and overworked, a common diagnosis for so many of us. She was told to take it easy, but that wasn't really an option. Feeling defeated, Sarah started doing her own research into natural wellness. She came across information about chronic inflammation and how it could be linked to her symptoms. So she decided to try a few things. She started her day with a warm lemon and ginger water to kickstart her digestion. In the afternoon, instead of her 4th cup of coffee, she switched to a turmeric latte. And at night, she made a ritual of drinking a cup of chamomile tea to help her unwind before sleep. She also cleaned up her diet, but these herbal additions were her daily support system. The first couple of weeks she didn't notice much, but she stuck with it. Then, about a month in, she woke up one morning and realized her fingers didn't feel as stiff. A few weeks after that, she noticed she was falling asleep faster and not waking up as much during the night. Her energy levels started to climb. It wasn't a miraculous overnight cure, but a gradual, steady improvement. After about 6 months, she felt like a completely different person. She had more energy, less pain, and felt more in control of her health than she had in years. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that small, consistent changes and listening to our bodies can make a world of difference. It shows that these ancient remedies aren't just folklore. They can have a real, tangible impact on our modern lives. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've seen how ancient wisdom is making a huge comeback in our modern quest for wellness. For everyday inflammation, turmeric is your golden ticket. For stress and sleep, a gentle cup of chamomile can work wonders. And for keeping your digestion happy, ginger is an absolute hero. These are simple, natural tools you can use to support your body's innate ability to heal and thrive. What are your go-to herbal remedies? I would absolutely love to hear from you. Share your favorites and how you use them in the comments below. Let's create a community of wellness wisdom right here. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to your natural wellness.